Today, I'm walking you through one of the most effective setups built specifically for marketing agencies. Now, we've helped dozens of agencies implement this structure. The secret sauce starts with a master client board. From there, we worked with the agency to define their core service offerings and created service-specific boards for each of their service offering. Instead of managing a separate board for every client, which can quickly become chaotic, each service has its own dedicated board. And with automations, when a client's date hits and a service is selected, an item is created in the relevant board. The due date even pushes forward automatically for recurring work. Now, let's look inside a service board. Each board is organized by phase. When a project moves to a new phase, specific sub-items are automatically dropped in, complete with an owner, due date, and status, so the team knows exactly what to work on and when. This agency has over 30 team members, so staying accountable is critical. And that's where dashboards come in. Every team member has a personalized dashboard. Let's look at Sue's dashboard. In her dashboard, it pulls together items from all service boards, filtered just for her. It includes calendar views for both high-level events and detailed tasks, and a table view that consolidates everything assigned to her in one place. It's simple, scalable, and saves hours of back and forth each week. If you run a marketing agency and want a Monday.com setup that actually works for your team, we'd love to help. Use the link below to schedule a free discovery call with me. Thanks for watching.